English of class 9 of unit number 11. Noise in the environment. माहौल में शोर. Students, first of all, I'll tell you the theme of the story, Noise in the Environment. The whole story gives awareness about the negative impacts of noise pollution on human and animal health. It describes the major contributors of noise pollution and how they affect mental and physical health. It also outlines various solutions to combat the problem of noise pollution. Okay, now move to pre-reading question. Here are fourth question. Okay, I'll tell you the answer of these question. Now look at the first question. Which idea comes to your mind when you look at the title and illustration of the unit? Students, we can say that by looking the title of the story, it seems as if there is a lot of noise and disturbance in the whole environment. Now move to second. In what ways are you affected by noise pollution? It affects our hearing and disturbs our brain and senses. Third one is, what do you do to protect yourself from the noise pollution? We use noise barriers to protect ourselves from the noise. Now students, move to learning outcomes which are mentioned here in a box. I hope that you will able to recognize all these things after reading the whole story carefully. Okay, now let's begin. First is recognize the author's purpose and point of view. We can say that after reading the whole story, we will able to know the main purpose of the writer, why he has written this story, Noise in the Environment. Share information and ideas about noise pollution. Analyze cause and effects relationship of noise in the environment. Okay, we can say that after reading the whole story, we will able to know the main causes and effects of noise pollution. Okay. Next is write a unified paragraph with its necessary elements. Negotiate solution to problem of noise pollution. We can say that we will able to exchange our views to how to tackle the problem of noise pollution. Negotiate exchanging views. तबादला ख्याल करना. Students, the next is recognize transitional devices in sentences. Now question is here, what are transitional devices? Students, traditional devices are words and phrases that connect parts of your writing. They link sentences and paragraphs together to maintain the continuity of ideas. Okay, the example of these devices is like in addition, firstly, beside, finally, further, moreover. Okay, all these are transitional devices. Next is identify and use adverb clause. Now student, I'll tell you what are adverb clauses. An adverb clause is a group of words which does the work of an adverb. It usually begins with a subordinating conjunction such as after, because, until, unless. Okay, these are the example of adverb clause. The last one is write and revise application and formal letters in extended social and academic environment. Students, you will able to write application and formal letter to give your solution about noise pollution after reading the whole story. Now students, move to page number 112. Here I have underlined few words. Begin. First is defined, बयान करना, तारीफ करना. Disrupts, मुंतशिर होना. फंक्शनिंग, प्रैक्टिकल काम, प्रैक्टिकल वर्क, अमली तौर पर काम या कारगुजारी. अनचेक्ड, बग़ैर रोकथाम के. डिस्कम्फर्ट, बेसकूनी. स्ट्रेस, जहनी दबाव. न्यूसेंस, तकलीफ़ देने वाली चीज़. अर्बन एरियाज़, शहरी इलाके. इंस्टेंस, मिसाल. रिस्क, ख़तरा. कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स, तामीराती जगह. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लाइंसेस, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आलात या बिजली पर चलने वाले आलात. ग्रोथ, इजाफा या बढ़ना. अनवारंटेड, गैर ज़रूरी. मशरूम, खुम्बी या तेज़ी से बढ़ना. परमानेंट, मुस्तकिल. अनअवॉइडेबल, नाकाबिले बचाव. टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, वक्त बर्बाद करने वाला. इक्विपमेंट, सामान या आलात. पार्ट्सिंग, सुराख करना. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मूव टू पेज नंबर 113. फटीग, थकान. अनमॉनिटर्ड, निगरानी के बगैर. irritants تکلیف دہ چیزیں، excessively زیادہ مقدار میں، responsibility ذمہ داری، careless غیر محتاط، negative impact منفی اثر، aggression سخت رویہ، hypertension high blood pressure، insomnia بے خوابی its disease name، anxiety بے چینی، physical tension جسمانی تناؤ، dire need اشد ضرورت، gear up تیاری کرنا یا تیار ہونا، strictly سختی سے، noise emitting vehicles دھواں خارج کرنے والی گاڑیاں، expedite تیزی کرنا، minimize کم سے کم، ریزیڈینشیل سوسائٹیز رہائشی سوسائٹیز یا علاقے۔ Now student move to page number 114. Prohibit منع کرنا، discourage حوصلہ شکنی کرنا، dangerous impact خطرناک اثر، acquire حاصل کرنا، civic sense شہری احساس، quieter خاموش یا پرسکون۔ Students, I have told you the meaning of difficult words. Now it's your task to learn the whole translation by your own self. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.